joint.
Yeah, hey y'all, check this bathroom out we did. It's a little small half bath. Ain't no shower, just a tall in the sink. Check it out. It's small, so I'm gonna point this stuff. So my customer did the wallpaper, they did an excellent job. And we did everything else. We pretty much put the light in, all the accessories we redrive off the bottom, put the new chair we're molding in, new sink, put a new door in, new toilet, new tile work, silver blinds, and we fixed the ceiling. I'm gonna show y'all in some pictures. Just look at the pictures on the before pics, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looked. The ceiling was all tore up, it was shot, it was bad. So that's pretty much what it is. Check the before pictures out, see how it looked, and I hope y'all like this. Check out the next video. Deuces.